Hello everybody, this is Mike from New Jersey High Rails, coming to you from the New Jersey High Rails layout in Paterson, New Jersey. This month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and in memory of all the people that have been diagnosed fighting breast cancer and also that have passed away due to breast cancer, I am running the cancer train for you tonight at the New Jersey High Railers Club in Paterson, New Jersey. To the women, the men, and their families of everybody affected, stay strong and lean on each other. Thank you and have a good night.